Hello traders, Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Let's see what we have today. Oh, first I want to apologize you guys because I was without energy here on my street yesterday, actually Sunday and yesterday. So I wasn't able to do any kind of analysis, and the battery I had on my cell phone, I was trying to keep it for an emergency purpose, okay? But I'm back at work, and let's see what we have for today. First of all, reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks. Remembering that my disclaimer says that this analysis is an educational analysis. It's not a financial advisory. Okay, here we are with the chart Fear and Greed. We were yesterday with 38, last week 39, and now we are with 41. This is due to the fact that we were at 9,300 on Bitcoin, and now we are close to 9,700. Okay, I have a hint for you guys. I was told by a friend of mine that the whales, they are looking forward to drop Bitcoin down to 3,000. Yes, that is kind of insane, unthoughtable, but it looks like that's going to happen. It's interesting because there's a gap on the CME Bitcoin future at, if I'm not wrong, at 3,570. Okay, so if it drops close to 3,000, it would close that gap. There's not any obligation to close it, but if it's a kind of a psychological thing for the investor. So it's easier for everybody, that includes, of course, a lot the whales. It's easier to drop the price and start making money, making it increase again, than try to make prices get higher levels from the point we are at right now. Okay, but on top of that, I was told that before the 3,000 drop, whales are thinking about pushing prices up to 10,300 or something close to that. All right, so let's keep a keen eye on the move. And as I told you guys yesterday, last week actually, we have the CME Bitcoin future expiring this Friday 29th. All right, 26, sorry, 26. This way, we might see Bitcoins going up because there's a lot of call positions. All right, we're gonna see this right now. But coming back to the Fear and Greed Index, we can see that it went slightly up to 41 level, and we do have the chart here showing us that prices are broke over this yellow resistance line, and it is trying to break over this green downtrend line right here. So since we see prices moving up today, I guess we might see this breakout happening today by the end of this the trade day, which is 9 p.m. UTC -3. Okay, and if it breaks that level, it is gonna search for new levels. So we might have a resistance right here, and let me draw it for you guys. Let me put it right here. Here we go. It is right here. What color are we gonna put there? Let's see. Let's put a purple one. We have a level right here. So we have some levels, some resistance levels to be reached, and let's keep a keen eye on that. All right, moving forward, let's see how the cryptocurrency market looked like today. It is green. Earlier it was kind of 50-50, but now it looks green. It is going up. So let's see how that is gonna go on. Moving again forward, here we go. We have right now 97 matches with the stable coin Tether, and these are 96 matches above zero. So we have a price change above zero for 96 matches. But today it looks like prices don't want to go up for all these matches because we have no pairs above 5%. All right. So let's keep a close eyes here because looks like the cryptocurrency are having hard time to move higher today. Okay. I also want to add you guys one more thing, which is a very nice information here. Look, I have this filter, which filters a daily opportunity for you guys. And I am working to figure out what is the best uh, pairs to trade. I'm looking for pairs that have at least 2 meg of volume. Below that, it's kind of risky because we might not have enough liquidity. Okay, so for now we have 17 pairs with Tether, but I would say that those that have stochastic under 50%, those stochastic K, which is this column right here, if it is under 50%, there is still room to make money. If we are above 50%, it starts getting harder to have a good spread to make money. Okay, so let's keep the can eye here and we might figure out some stuff. For instance, XLM. On a monthly, it's a minus 11%, and right now it's plus 0.5%. The same happened with LMX futures. Let's see what else we have. Here we have the Matic. It was a monthly 6.3% and a weekly 8.4%. So this is another one that might be good to keep a close eyes on. What else do we have right here? Let's see. Well, for that, this is our few example. I'm not going to keep doing this presentation for you guys during my analysis post. I'm going to do a separate one in order for you guys to be able to go to YouTube, get that information right there, and see what kind of pairs I filtered and are good for the moment. Okay, I'm doing it for the whole day, but it is also nice to do it on an hourly basis. Let's see how it's going to look like for the hourly basis. Please change, please change. Well, I'm just going to save here and I'm going to refresh. Okay, let's refresh. Let's see how it's going to look. Refreshing. So I want to show you guys that there's nice opportunity that we can filter on the trading view. It is easy to do it. Okay, hourly basis. Here we are. No, this is the positive. I want to go with Binance stochastic. Here we go. On an hourly basis, stochastic here. So on an hourly basis, see, we have some nice moves going on as well. So there's a few. What happened at every hour, it kind of clears the whole database and starts gathering more information from those that are moving forward with a lot of volume, with a lot of liquidity, with a lot of trades. So this is nice because at every hour you have something new coming up. Okay, so well, let me go here to back to USDT. So let's see what's going to come up here. There we go. So like I said, under 50%, of course, 58, 52 is not a big deal. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 opportunities to make money. Of course, you want to go with a stochastic that is way close to zero because there is the one that we have most chances to make nice spread. Okay, but during the future from now on, I'm going to try to make this table available for you guys on a daily basis. Keep your keen eye on the YouTube sign there. Follow me in order for you guys to get this table. It's going to be a very short and straight video, and then you guys can just pause the video and pick the best opportunities for you guys. I worked on a Bitcoin trading office, and I managed the strategy for all the traders. And at that time, I came up with this table for them, and they started making a lot of money. Okay, so hopefully this will help you guys as well. All right. Remember, this is just a hint. This is just my opinion about good opportunities to trade pairs with USDT with Tether. Okay, but it's up to you guys to figure out if these trades are good for you, if it matches your profile of trader. Okay, this is just an opportunity for us to exchange ideas to figure out what we could do. All right. Moving forward, coming back here, just want to remind you guys, Bitcoin future CME, it is gonna expire 3 days from now, and there's a lot of people betting on the call side. That's the reason why I think it is gonna go up, and I told you guys last week that it would go up after the future index future, the worldwide index future expiration date on last Friday. Okay, so it looked like I was right because Bitcoin is moving higher. Okay, moving forward, there we go. We are with the 1 hour chart for the Bitcoin, and I was able to draw. Let me change this color line so we can have a downtrend line, a red one, which is more easier to see. Bitcoin is trying to break out this line, having some hard time. It already made a maximum of 96.78, and it came back. Now it is 96.49. It is trying to move higher, but it's not doing that for now. But we have a lot of indication on the 1 hour chart that it is going to go up. Look at the relative strength index. It wants to go up, and it's signing that it's thinking about going on that direction. Stochastic said, I am going up, and the MACD is also saying, I'm thinking about that as well. But the volume wave already said, I'm going up, and I am building a positive wave. We also see this on the spread price. It is starting to move up, and the money pressure is also thinking about going in the same direction. What gives us a good hint that that might happen is the DMI indicator. It is saying that the strength of the buy price is getting higher. So it looks like for the 1 hour chart, we might see some prices going up, breaking above this downtrend line, the red one, and we might see new highs. Considering that we are inside a symmetrical triangle, it indeed might go up right here. And if that happens, the first move we have is the Fibonacci 7.2% at 9708. 9708. So this might be the best hint because we have the Bollinger Band right there, and it is going to have a hard time to break out a lot of this Bollinger. Okay, so keep your eyes there. We might have some stuff. Moving forward, here we go with the 4 hour chart. Here I am. It's as you guys can see, we are fading on the positive wave. Let me get the pin here. Got it. It is fading on the positive wave. And the MACD is saying, I'm thinking about going down since today at 1 a.m. But prices are trying to go up. I'm thinking about a slight correction. It might try to go touch here the 9,700 before this correction. If we see a correction, I don't see any problem at all if it goes to Fibonacci 38.2% at 95.47. Okay, it's a good deal. It was almost there. As you guys can see, it almost made a minimum. So it would just get some strength and boom, go up again. Okay, and we have some hints that it's having a hard time. It's kind of a split, the positive move with the negative move. So as you can see, we have a negative move on stochastic. We also have a negative move on price spread and on the volume wave. But we do have some positive move or the intention of going positive on relative strength, on the money pressure, and well, that's it for now. So let's see what's going to happen for the next hours. Like I said, since we are very close to 9,700, why not going there, pop, boom, and goes down, make a correction, and starts going up again. Friday, 26th, we have future CME expiration date. Keep a close eyes on that. And to end, we have here the daily chart where we can see that the Bitcoin broke the Bitcoin broke hard up on this downtrend line, and it had a nice volume. So we have some indication showing that it wants to go up, but before that it might do a slight correction in order to get back some energy and keep on moving up, especially because of the expiration date next Friday. Okay, folks, that is it for now. Just to end here, we do have the prices still moving inside that limitations that I told you that I heard from the whales that it doesn't want to move above 10 and nor does it want to go under 85. But now we have some new information that the Deutsche Bank wants to see Bitcoin close to 3,000. So keep a close eye. Our best reference is breaking under 8,500. Okay, so pay attention, folks. And as we want to move up, we might see some prices hitting the 10,000, and who knows, hitting the 10.3 thousand. And before it goes down, it matches what with what I heard from the Deutsche Bank insider. Okay, so let's see how that is gonna come out. All right, folks, that is it. Thank you very much for following. If you like that, if it was useful for you guys, this video, please like it and follow me down there. It is gonna be a nice support from you guys. All right. With this analysis on hand and Bitcoin wanting to define itself, now it is showtime. Take care.